Shit, come on, fuck.
Weather bulletin for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Beaver, Butler, and Lawrence. National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jefferson County in east central Ohio, Beaver County in western Pennsylvania, northwestern Washington County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, southwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, northwestern Allegheny County in southwestern Pennsylvania, Hancock County in northern West Virginia, until 1:15 p.m. At 12:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Aliquippa, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gust. Source, emergency management. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Pittsburgh, Mount Lebanon, Ross Township, McCandless Township, Cranberry, Moon Township, Whitten, Franklin Park, Aliquippa, Beaver Falls, Minnetonka, and Taylor Township. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across Beaver County. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, hosting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh